Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Facebook Ad Library to do your competitor search just before you start running your ads. Alright, so just go to Google and enter Facebook Ads Library and click on it after the search and the page will be opened for you. Alright, so you scroll down and you would see that has already been pre-selected Nigeria. Then you can click on the ad category to select all ads. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is to, enter what you want to search, the kind of ads that you want to, see. So the goal of this is to see what other people are advertising. All right. So enter what you want to see. So I'll be entering fashion here. And as you can see, you already have some accounts that are running ads with fashion. All right. But I'm not going to be clicking on any of these accounts because I want to see everything. I don't want to just see particular advertiser. All right. So once I just click on the enter button, the ads that are currently running are going to load for you. All right. So what you then do is just scroll down to find inspiration. But these ads, right, are normally shown for ads that are within, a 5 year period or 10 year period, for a long time. So it's important that you use the sort or filter option so that you can see ads that are currently active and are currently doing well, in that particular industry you're searching for. All right. As you can see, there are some ads already around fashion in Nigeria. You also have to know that even people that are not in Nigeria with foreign wares are also targeting Nigerians as well. All right. So the next thing we're just going to do is to go ahead and sort and see what that is like. So I'll go ahead and click on the filter option there. So just scroll down, it's already selected active ads. Then, with the impressions by dates, just change the year to 2026. And then I'm just going to, move it 1 month apart, right? I'm going to be changing that to February, around 1st of February, since we're just in 9th of April. All right. So I'm just going to apply the two filters, ads that are still active, and it's showing us ads from high impression to low impression. All right, so the ads have been loaded for us. All right, so what you now have to look at is the content of these ads, and then you have to look at how people have created their own videos and what it's like. All right, so you can see that there are so many videos, right? There are so many videos on that are running. People are doing more videos, because videos are working more. Another thing you also see is the price. You have ads with price ranges. All right. Another thing you also notice is that you have ads with people actually using the product. Like for this hair wig product, you have, it's, the wig in action, people showing you how, the wig application looks like. All right. So next you also have slides. There are also slides of the outfit, right? Wearing different version of an outfit, and just displaying what it looks like. All right. So Facebook Ads Library gives you the opportunity to see what other people are doing, see the format in which their content is at, especially what format are they using, how did they create this content, what ideas did they have, how did they craft their headline and description. And you just take what you can learn from there and what their offers are like, especially. All right, so this is how to use Facebook Ads Library